What about if the couple has any age, people have blended families? I really want to make sure that if you have a blended family situation, you talk through what happens if one of you dies. If you leave everything outright to your surviving spouse, let's say you have two kids, your spouse has two kids, everybody gets along, it's just fine. If you don't put a trust into your will that says, on my death, everything goes to my spouse, but it's in this trust. And when my spouse dies, everything goes to my kids. Then what happens if you don't put that in place? So let's say instead of that, you say, on my death, everything goes to my spouse outright. Okay, now what's going to happen to your kids? Well, maybe your spouse remarries. Maybe your spouse loses touch with your kids, contact. Maybe your spouse just does a new will and says everything goes to the spouse's two kids. That happens. And I'm guessing you know of situations where it has happened. So if you want to make sure your kids do get something from you, from your estate, when you die, when you're gone, a trust in a will is the best way to accomplish that if you want to also provide for your surviving spouse. So your lawyer will talk with you about how to make sure your kids are not disinherited by you.